Have you heard all the news going on about the new YouTube Partner Program updates starting February 1st of 2027? And if you are monetized, this video is going to be for you, that you must do this before or by January 31st of 2027. I will go over the few tips to show you what you must do by January 31st. Now, of course, everybody heard about the new changes, where it's from 4,000 watch hours to 8,000 watch hours. Well, I'm going to go through a few tips to show you what you must do if you already monetized or even fan funding. In your YouTube dashboard, when you go to your channel, for example, you will go to your dashboard. Actually, let's do this. I should have had this ready before. But anyway, when you go to your dashboard for your YouTube, you got to be in your YouTube studio. Go to your dashboard. And in your dashboard, you should see at this time, if you are monetized or you do have the fan funding already, you want to do this before January 31st, 2027 to avoid any gaps in earning from features like ads, YouTube Premium, which there's a change about that as well, which I'm sure you've heard. There's plenty of videos out there. I was going to do one on that, but I decided to do it on this one. And of course, your fan funding. That's fan funding that started. I do have a how-to video on how that changed on news breaks, but on this one, we're going to go through this feature that you must do. And on your dashboard, you're going to see this pinkish yellow, a bright red. You may have it in red, but mine looks like more of a peachy color. And I already did it on my other channel, so I'm going to do it on this one and walk you through it. So what you need to do is go through where it says review and accept. You must click that first. And I'm going to move myself out a little bit more because I will need the rest of this. How about right there? Yeah, let's do that. How about if I even shrink myself a little bit? Yeah, there we go. That way I'm out of the way. All right, now, these are the changes that's going to take effect, and you must do this by January 31st. And these are all the specs that you want to do and read it. Then you're going to hit continue. Now, when you hit continue, we're going to hit continue. And I guess I won't be able to do it because I'm sitting right over it. There we go. How about I move myself over here? I am sorry. This is the first time I use this program for videoing, so we'll see how this works. Continue. When you continue, this will go through and tell you again more. You want to learn more about it, you can hit the word learn more. It'll open you another tab and tell you all the new things that are happening, including expanding Premium Lite. That is something that if you have Premium, YouTube Premium, this will be a new program that they have. Well, we're still going to earn money from it, but the Premium Lite, it looks like we're going to have a little bit less than the 70-30. It's going to be 60-30. So anywho, that's more for you to read. I'm just going to kind of guide you through it. This will be your mods of everything. You're going to contents that are displayed within your following parts of your services. Content watch page, your video players. All of this is included in this. And you want to read. I already read all this, so I'm just kind of skimming through it. You must make sure you read it. Music, subscription offers, including revenue and sharing and things like that. You want to hit I accept watch page terms. You see I'm already in my little space again, so you could be seeing me move, I guess, a little bit here and there. So I'm going to accept the watch page. Now watch what happens when I do this. Accept and continue. You have to do each step. Then you're going to go through here, and this is about your shorts monetizations, the changes, everything that you're going to need to know. This again, if you know all about this, there are many videos that you haven't seen yet. Go back and watch them. They're also on the main page of our dashboard. That tells you about the new updates, so you might want to check your news feed on your dashboard. And again, this goes through and talks a little bit more about all the different changes, the revenue you can do for revenue sharing, and all of that information. This is everything. If you're in the partner program, you must have read this when you got approved and got into the partner program. This is just also all about the updates that are coming up in February 1st, 2027. So I'm going to accept about the charts, and I'm going to hit accept again. Then we're going to go through these. These are all about the different commerce products. If you have products for your channel, merch, anything you have that you want to sell or you make, this is everything about that, how you're going to get the price breakdown and things like that. How are you going to do the refunds, policies. All of this is information that you need to read, especially if you have products that you're going to sell, whether it's merch, products that you're making, or anything like that. This is what this is all about. And of course, you do have to, I've read and understood this agreement by clicking accept below. I represent that I have authorized to bind the entry name above, which is your channel name, the terms. And if you are under the age of 18, you will need a parent legal guardian to read and accept these terms. We're going to accept, and we're going to go to continue. Now, share data and earning opportunities. Let's see, this is all in reference to your audience engagements, advertisement, your brands, brand deals, things like that. Channel and lights receive 2 times more the brand inquired, and this is more like in your dashboard. You'll get more that you better apply for. So let's finish. I've accepted. Now I'm going to go right here to where it says watch page ad. I'm going to click on this, and everything should be right here. Your earning ads, premium, see your analytics. We're going to click on that. Get myself out in the corner over here somewhere where I'm out of the way. Let's see, go back. Ad availability. This one's a little different. Ad, you can manage your ads. This is already checked. You've rated mostly videos accordingly, which is pretty good. Let's see, watch, overview. Everything is done. And if you don't have everything done, it'll make you do this watch page. And when you do your watch page, it'll tell you something else if you have to do anything here. And this is everything that's going to be going for categories that I have blocked. Let's go to short feeds, see my analytics, YouTube earning from these ads. You got your memberships. This is everything you have. I have currently 52 members now. Then you have your super chat, super stickers. You want to make sure all of these are turned on, which will be black in the background. You want to make sure all those are still turned on. And then you have your shopping. And this is if you have a store. This is usually with either affiliate links, or if you have like Shopify or any other store connected to your YouTube channel for products that you have like on print on demand and things like that. And then of course you have your partnership tab. This is where you're going to get your email brands, what you're going to use for your email, any additional information. And then of course I already have all this filled out, and you just save it. Or you just close it because I'm already there. You'll see it in gray if you have filled it out. And so you also have how to use the media. This is in reference to the media kit. You want to make sure you have that set up for your channel as well. And if you click that, it tells you how to do it and all of that information there. And so we'll go back here. Learn about paid promotions, all of this stuff that you're going to need for like your brand deals, if you want to set that up. I do not currently have anything set up. I don't know why. It's just something about it that I'm very picky about, that I don't want to just accept anything, because I don't promote products that I don't use or don't know about. And I get a lot of those in my email. One of the things I do want to mention, if somebody sends you something like that, make sure it's the correct email that you have assigned to your YouTube channel. And you can change the actual email. Does not have to be the same email for your channel. You can always use a different email, which I do for my channel when it comes to promoted advertisement for other partnership, for those type of things under the media kit. But I use a different email for that. I don't use the same one. So it looks like everything should be done from this, as long as you do this and you keep doing all of these and making sure anything that you don't have completed, you want to make sure you do see that these are completed. So you want to make sure that if there's anything there, let's see what this is. This is for your manager. That's right. This is under your settings, where you want to add sensitive categories, things you don't want part of your channel. That way, if you are wanting to get any kind of ad promotions or partnership programs that you want to get with partners to partner with you on for supporting your channel, This is where you would go and set it up to where you don't have certain categories, things that you can block, things that you don't want part of, like getting rich schemes, politics, gambling, drugs, things like that. You can check that off and unblock it or block it. And mine are blocked, alcohol and things like that. So you can block anything and everything you have, and then you have your general categories, and then of course you can block certain categories if you choose to. And that's part of your settings. And let's see here. Let me move myself up a little bit so I can close this. And that's why you would close it. And then right here in your settings, if you go right here to your settings, everything you need generally will be right here, including your permissions, add categories, which is right here as well. Upload defaults. This is where you would do all your defaults. And this is stuff that you can do on your separate time, because that's really nothing having to do with this portion. But I just want to kind of do that and show that if you have anything you have to do, it'll be right here telling you need to finish or promote. Like on my first channel, I had a whole bunch of other things I had to do, whereas this one, it went through right away. But anyway, you can go to each tab, and if you have anything you got to do, it's going to tell you it's going to be complete. You have to complete it. So make sure you go through each one of these tabs and make sure it's all done and that everything is completed. And if you do need to do anything else, it'll tell you, you got to finish this, or you have to do this. If you're done, it will look just like this. So that's what I wanted to share. Now, also I want to mention, if you have any questions, please make sure to send it in the description bar below. I'll be glad to answer those for you and get any answers. Now remember that I didn't want to do an actual video on all of the things that are already going out. There's so many videos already out there. I did not want to go ahead and get that done and work on that, because there's just too many. And I figured that most of the people, unless somebody does it, I do talk about it on my morning show. So anyway, thank y'all so much. And again, if you enjoy this type of content, right here on the top corner, you'll see a playlist. And that's a lot of how-tos and step-by-steps and news breaks and things like that has been going on with either reselling or YouTube. You're more than welcome to check that out. I hope that helps you. Please make sure to leave those comments if you have any comments that I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. And thank you very much.